In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download PDF files directly from Google Chrome. Sometimes when you click on a PDF link in Chrome, it opens in a new tab instead of downloading to your computer. That can be useful for quickly previewing a document. But if you often need to save PDFs, it's much more convenient to have them download automatically. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to change a simple setting in Chrome, so that, instead of opening PDFs in the browser, Chrome will always download them straight to your device. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can use any profile you like. This setting will apply just to the profile you currently have open. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. Click on that to open the main Chrome menu. From this menu, move your mouse down and click on Settings. This will open a new tab with all of Chrome's configuration options. On the left-hand side, you should see a list of sections such as You and Google, Autofill, and others. You'll want to scroll or look for the section called Privacy and Security, then click on it. Inside Privacy and Security, look for an option called Site Settings. Go ahead and click that. This page controls how websites interact with your browser, including things like pop-ups, permissions, and file handling. Now scroll down until you see an option labeled Additional Content Settings. Click on that to expand a few more options. Among these, you should see PDF documents. Select PDF documents to open the specific settings for how Chrome handles PDFs. On this screen, you'll see a toggle or option that says something like Download PDFs instead of opening them automatically in Chrome. Turn this option on. When this is enabled, Chrome will no longer load PDFs in the built-in viewer. Instead, every time you click a PDF link, it will download directly to your default download location. That's all you need to change. To test it, you can open a new tab. Go to any website that has a PDF file and click on the link. Instead of opening in a new tab, you should see the download begin right away, usually indicated by an icon or bar at the bottom of the browser. If you ever change your mind and want PDFs to open in Chrome again, just go back to the same PDF Documents setting and turn that option off.